Hi guys, today I'm doing a colour comparison on Arrow by Villa in two colours, Champagne Rooted, which is the one I have on, and the beautiful Caramel Lighted. So this beautiful Champagne Rooted is on a medium brown root, and the fibres are made up of medium honey blonde with gold highlights. I'll just give you a 360 of this updo just in case you want to try it. Here I am back, and I have let her out in all her glorious, beautiful champagne coloured highlights and hair. She really is beautiful. I do love this wig a great deal. I love this colour, and it's really versatile to wear with a lot of different shades in your wardrobe. And I'll give you a really close-up look of these different shades in here. And there's a lot of natural sunlight here, no artificial lighting at all. So this is as true to colour as I can get it for you. And I'll be back in the beautiful Caramel Lighted. And here I am in the beautiful Arrow in Caramel Lighted. And as you can see, it's a lot darker than Champagne Rooted. There's a close-up look on the root, on the monofilament top, on the lace front. The Champagne has a lot more lighter fibres around the front than this Caramel Lighted. But still a beautiful blend of lovely caramel blonde. Really stunning. But if you're after the more ash tones, I would be going for the Champagne Rooted. But if you're after something a little bit darker, if you have a darker complexion, then perhaps you might go for this Caramel Lighted. Both are beautiful, stunning colours, a beautiful, stunning lace front wig from Villa. And if you have any questions for me, I'm really happy to answer them. Put them down in the comments section and I'll answer those for you in upcoming videos. If you liked looking at these two colours in this beautiful wig, I have a full review on Arrow in Champagne Rooted and another one in Arrow Caramel Lighted. So look on the channel for that, and YouTube here will give you one as well. Thanks for joining me on Julie's Wig World.